Hello, fellow atheists. Today's lesson is from that Old Testament, and the subject is why the book of Isaiah is a pile of garbage. The key to showing this book is a late fraud is these two verses, which were supposedly prophecies of the later Persian king Cyrus. Not only is it a fact that predictive prophecy doesn't happen, but it is also a fact that in Isaiah's time, these passages wouldn't have been intelligible. That Isaiah could use the name of a king in a language unknown to him, who ruled in a kingdom which did not exist, taxes probability too far. So it is not a question of placing limits to the vision of prophecy, but on the limits of intelligibility. Even if the name were by hypothesis meaningful to the prophet, it cannot be meaningful to his readers or listeners. Ergo, Isaiah is full of crap. Any questions?
Excuse me, but it seems you're missing a vital point here. While future prediction wasn't the sole purpose of biblical prophecy, it was part of it. And for the readers or listeners at that time, a certain degree of ambiguity would have been understood. In fact, it would have been expected that we would see certain things as though through a glass darkly, because some bits of knowledge would have been restricted to those who were most trusted with it. Not only that, it's hardly as unintelligible as you make it out to be. In 1975, if I had had the revelation Koresh will cause trouble in Waco, the name Koresh wouldn't have been meaningful to me or anyone I told about it. But the context of the words as in Isaiah would tell us that Koresh was an acting party of some sort. So likewise, there would be sufficient context in Isaiah to define Cyrus as a personal actor. So frankly, it wouldn't matter if Isaiah's Cyrus prophecies would be ambiguous to his contemporaries. If they understood that it was about some future event, that would be part of the expectation of the semantic package.
Are there any more questions?
Yeah, let me ask you a question. Is any of this stuff you say in this class peer-reviewed?
Of course it is. All my colleagues are right over there.